In this video, you'll learn how to block someone on eBay. By following these steps, you can prevent specific users from purchasing your items, ensuring a smoother selling experience. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the account settings or seller preferences page. Look for the section dedicated to selling settings. Within this section, you will find an option related to blocked buyers. This feature is essential for sellers who want to restrict certain users from interacting with their listings. After locating the blocked buyer list option, click on it to access the list. This page will display any users you have previously blocked and provide you with the ability to manage these entries. Take a moment to review the instructions provided on this page, as they will guide you through the process. Once you are familiar with the layout, you can proceed to add usernames you wish to block. In the designated field for blocked buyers, type the username of the person you want to block. It is crucial to enter the username accurately to ensure you are blocking the correct account. If necessary, you can add multiple usernames in this field. Blocking a buyer effectively prevents them from bidding on or purchasing your items, which can be particularly useful if you have encountered issues with certain buyers in the past. Double check the username you entered before moving on to the next step. After confirming the accuracy of the username, proceed to save the changes. Look for the save button on the page and click it to update your blocked buyer list. Once this action is completed, the blocked user will no longer have the ability to buy or bid on your listings. You can return to this section at any time to edit or remove usernames from the list, ensuring your block list remains current and effective. Keeping your blocked buyer list updated is vital for protecting your selling experience. Regularly monitoring buyer interactions can also enhance the safety of your... With this process completed, you have successfully blocked a user on eBay, allowing you to maintain a more controlled selling environment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.